How can I grow my own food at home? Growing your own food at home is a rewarding and sustainable way to ensure access to fresh produce. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners, whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or just a windowsill. 1. Choose the right space. To grow food at home, first choose a space that suits your living situation. If you have a backyard or garden, you can plant directly in the ground or use raised beds. For those with balconies or patios, containers and pots work perfectly. Even a windowsill can be enough to grow herbs or small plants indoors if it gets good sunlight. 2. Check sunlight and climate. Observe how much sunlight your chosen space receives each day. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Also, consider your local climate and pick plants that thrive in your region or growing zone. This will increase your chances of success. 3. Select easy crops to start with. If you're a beginner, start with plants that are simple and reliable. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, herbs like basil and mint, and root vegetables like radishes and carrots are good choices. You can also try tomatoes or strawberries if you have containers and enough sun. 4. Use containers or build raised beds. Containers are ideal if you're growing on a balcony or indoors. Make sure they have drainage holes to prevent water from building up. If you have a backyard, consider building raised garden beds with untreated wood or recycled materials to give your plants the right soil depth and drainage. 5. Start from seeds or seedlings. You can either plant seeds or buy young plants called seedlings. Seeds are more affordable and offer a wider variety, but seedlings are quicker and easier to handle if you're new to gardening. 6. Choose good soil. Healthy soil is key to growing good food. Use an organic potting mix for containers or enrich your garden beds with compost. Avoid using regular garden soil in pots because it can be too heavy and compact. 7. Water correctly. Water your plants regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soaked. The best times to water are early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when temperatures are lower and less water is lost to evaporation. 8. Fertilize naturally. Feed your plants using natural fertilizers like compost, worm castings, or liquid feeds made from fish or seaweed. These help provide nutrients without the harsh effects of chemical fertilizers, making your produce healthier and more eco-friendly. 9. Manage pests naturally. Keep an eye out for pests and use natural methods to control them. Neem oil, garlic spray, or insecticidal soap are effective and safe. You can also attract helpful insects like ladybugs that naturally control harmful bugs. 10. Harvest regularly. Once your plants are ready, harvest them regularly to encourage more growth. Picking herbs and vegetables often keeps them productive and ensures you always have something fresh to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next video.